Hey guys, what's going on? This is KSJ with something new today, and today I'm going to show you a simple little hack, quick video here on some vice grips that are wore out. They've seen better days, but I want to show you what basically happened is that the teeth here were so flat and wore out that basically I tried to hold this bolt, and it literally, when I compressed it, shot the bolt out like a damn little rocket. So all I did here was I literally just went ahead and I grinded some edges into it, as you can kind of see here, just enough to go ahead and create like a little divot here, so I could actually hold on to things. Something simple, something easy. Just, you know, use the edge here and just grinded it out. And then over here on the side, boom, and then that's what we ended up with. I also messed around with trying to get some of the teeth a little bit better, but that didn't really work out as well. No big deal. I mean, these are old pair. Probably should have been thrown in the trash a while ago, but these things last forever, so I just gave them a little bit of extra life. Now they hold. Let me see if I can, you know, anything I want to put inside the jaws, they hold it real nice. Anyways, whatever. It's hard to do with one hand. You guys get the point. Take care, guys. Till next time.